Are you using TradingView's free plan and frustrated by the limitation of only 2 indicators? Don't worry. I've got a simple hack that lets you combine multiple indicators into a single script. You'll be able to use as many as you want while staying on the free plan. Let's get started. For this example, we'll start with the RSI. First, go to the Indicators tab, search for the indicator you want, and apply it to your chart. Next, click on the source code of the RSI. This opens the Pine editor at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in the editor, select All, then Copy. Now, open the Pine editor in a new tab and clear everything inside the editor. Paste the RSI code you copied earlier. Change the title of the indicator to something descriptive, like Combined RSI and MACD. This helps keep your scripts organized. Once you've done that, save the script. Now, let's add a second indicator. This time, we'll use MACD. Repeat the same process. Go to the Indicators tab, search for MACD, apply it to the chart, and open its source code in the Pine editor. Here's an important part. When copying the MACD code, don't copy the first few lines of your script, which includes the version and the indicator title description. These lines define the version and title of the indicator, and they're already in place from the RSI script. Scroll down in the editor and paste the MACD code below the RSI code. This ensures both indicators are combined into one script. Save your combined script and apply it to the chart. You'll now see both RSI and MACD displayed together in a single pane. If you want to combine indicators that appear directly on the chart, like multiple moving averages or Bollinger Bands, the process is exactly the same. Just create another script specifically for chart-based indicators and follow the same steps. This hack lets you bypass TradingView's 2-indicator limit on the free plan by using just 2 custom scripts. One for pane indicators like RSI and MACD, and another for chart-based indicators. You can combine as many as you want without upgrading. Just be mindful not to clutter your screen with too many indicators, as it can make your analysis harder to read. Keep it clean and simple. And that's it. Now you can enjoy unlimited indicators on TradingView without upgrading. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more trading tips, and comment below to let me know what indicators you'll combine. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.